Alright, it's time to get dialed. Mic would be helpful. Mic would be helpful. It's time to get dialed in. Dialed in here. SMCX, too expensive. KTTA, thing pops up from time to time. I don't remember how I traded. I'd have to look up. I don't want to look it up though. I don't want to have any bias. It looks a little choppy though. Nope, I don't want that. It looks a little bit choppy. Let's check the dailies. Gosh, the daily chart is so bad. It's at 376 though. That's a good little pop though. 100-day moving average is at 350, so definitely tradable. It looks a little crazy though. Look at this. Look at this VWAP breakout and then tank. It's a 7% drop. Don't want to get caught in something like that. Penny stock, no thank you. Another penny stock, no thank you. Let's run a scan. Your biggest fan, this is Stan, KTTA, YCBA, AAST, OGEN. Why is that not on my list? OGEN. PWM, low volume. CYN has huge volume. Let's see what's going on there. SFHG. Edible again. Alright, let's check these out. I got 2 minutes. Oh, that's why, because they're penny stocks. Absolute penny stocks. Dang, I don't like trading penny stocks. Alright, so it looks like the only thing really in my wheelhouse is going to be KTTA. Alright, so let's zoom out here a little bit. Let's see what we got brewing. Don't want that trend line to break. And then let's see. Pre-market high is way up there though. Oh, 462. Are any of these? Yeah, I don't want to trade any of these pennies. Wait till something else pops up. AVGX. What's AVGX? AVGX. Game time here in just a few seconds. There we go. AVGX is too pricey. Nasty little start here. Well, it's fighting. Let's see how the candle closes. New minute. The only bad thing about this, my setup, is my volume bars kind of get in the way. There's 380. Buyer at 375, it looks like. Nope, that's gone. Done and gone. That buyer vanished. not a great sign for the day. All right, let's. Ooh, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? All right, recapture. Come on, recapture here. Nope, no recapture. This might get ugly. Oh, we got plenty of time. 20 more seconds to recapture. Come on now, boy. Hold down's at 295. Didn't want it to break below that that trend line. Needs volume here. Yeah. Let's see what else is moving. Dang, those buyers are getting smacked. Watching VWAP at like 357, buyer at 348 again, 346, but those buyers have shown up and kind of disappeared before, so I don't know if I have real confidence in those. Needs a lot more volume if it's going to get through that VWAP area. What else? Did I miss anything else? That's KTTA. Too pricey, choppy, penny stock. That penny stock is actually doing decent though. I'd prefer KTTA. Oh, well, just when I said it was doing decent, look at that little pullback. Come on, KTTA, give me something. Your volume is weak. Volume is weak. Ten seconds to a new minute. Are we slowly making new, okay, all right, interesting pop here. Let's take it. Yep, nice. Took half off already. Automatic hotkey always takes half off. Ooh, get out. Come on now. It's all right. It's all right. So my hotkey always takes off. Automatically sells at a 10-cent profit. Half of the position. Let's see what we got going on here now. Tried to hold it a little too long and got smacked. I think Infinity was asking me why I'm in and out so quick, why I don't hold, and that's a good reason why I don't do that. I was looking at a close to about $50 profit and ended up only walking away with about 18 of it. So mindset with kind of the automatic sell is, all right, sell half, you automatically lock in profit, and then the other half you kind of let ride. But even if you let it ride too long, as you can see, sometimes it just doesn't work out. Buyer 2360. Should I use that as a base? Let's use that as a base. If that gets chopped, I gotta dump it. That got chopped. That got chopped. Yeah. Give me out. I pushed the sell key a long time ago. Trash. It's all right. The red is small, but we're looking at running out of buying power here. 15 seconds till a new minute. Tomorrow's probably going to be my last day because I'm actually gone. I'm on the road on Friday, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to make any recordings or whatnot. It took quite a while to get my sell order to go through. It's unfortunate. But that's how it goes. Is that it? Is that it for us today? Is that going to be it for us today? Well, this is the third red day in a row, which is gross. Should have locked in. Should have locked. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. Terms we never use while trading, but sitting at that $50 profit area. It's looking pretty good right now. I only had 7 red days in January, and now we're at 3 in a row in February. Not a great start. This here. So, bummer. I only have really one more stab at this thing, but even so, it would have to be a 10-cent mover on the share size that I have to use. Yeah, would have liked it to go a little lower on the same candle. Is there anything else? Is there anything else we can kind of dabble with here? ASST going through pre-market highs right now. Maybe we wait for a pullback in a 1 minute to make a new high. Maybe that's the way. Maybe that's the way. EMA at like 79. VWAP at 76. High of day at about 90. Pretty decent little frontside move here for ASST. 40%, yeah, I'd say. All right, this thing might test highs right here. Let's see. Let's see if it pulls back or if it rips through. Might be running out of steam. Tug of war here. Buyers and sellers, tug of war. That's decent red volume. Real late on that bounce. I'm going to have to hold this longer than I'd like. Under VWAP's got to be a sell. So the plan being is I thought that was going to be a reverse hammer. I thought that was just going to rip through that 1 minute to make a new high. It looks like it did just briefly, but I got in on the high side, which is not great. this candle turns green, we might have a shot. Oh, it did turn green, but not great. Still on the front side here. Let's take some risk off, take half off. I'm going to get out of this if this gets under EMA there. Man, this is just a wishing, hoping game, which is not a winning strategy. I got to dump this. Hope is not a winning strategy. So, it's another like $30 L on the day. What did I trade first? KTTA. 13, 20, $28 L on the day. Oh, here it goes now. Don't do it to him. Don't do it to him for the third day in a row. See what it does with 85. All right. So let's think about this. Could I have been more patient today? I ended up breaking one of my rules in trading a penny stock. I usually don't like trading penny stocks. This might be a fake breakout. Let's see. I got in way. The mistake on this trade is I got in way high. Initially, I was kind of looking for this VWAP bounce here. It bounced and looked like it was going to just take off. I got in way high. Uh-oh, here we go. Pressure. There's 85. Oh, man. Tough. It's tough. That's tough to watch for the third day in a row, to feel like I got shaken out and or just missed the move by a tiny little bit. All right, let's see. Let's analyze this a little bit. Right idea with the pullback. Right idea with the 1 minute to make a new high. But it might have happened. I might have got a little impatient here because it did make a new high, but it made a new high by like 0.00 whatever 3 cents, just barely. So in hindsight, this was the real breakout here. That was the real trade. And then I got but would I have gotten shaken out on this 1 minute to make a new high also? Probably. I probably wouldn't have even made it to this one. It's all right. Again, live to trade another day. The small account challenge is still green, unfortunately. Or I guess fortunately, but it's been 3 red days in a row to start off February, which is not great. But it is what it is, and the journey continues. Thanks for being here, everybody. Peace.